Everyone knows the Zero fighter. Almost no one knows what Japan planned after it. Aircraft designed to outrun American escorts, interceptors built for altitudes Japan could barely reach. Projects canceled, not because they failed, but because the war ended first. Nakajima Ki-19 experimental bomber. Designed as a heavy bomber prototype, focused on long range and payload, rejected during testing phase. Mitsubishi Ki-21 successor projects. Several classified designs proposed to replace Ki-21. Improved speed and survivability were planned. Canceled before prototype construction. High altitude and recon projects. Tachikawa Ki-74. High altitude recon aircraft. Designed to fly above enemy interception range. Development never reached operational flight. Nakajima Ki-87. High-altitude interceptor for B-29 defense. Turbo-supercharged engine caused instability. Never entered service. Advanced fighter and interceptor designs. Kyushu J7W1 Shinden. Canard layout interceptor. Designed for bomber interception. Only prototype testing completed. Kyushu J7W2 Jet Shinden plant. Jet-powered Shinden variant. Never built beyond design stage. Nakajima Ki-44 advanced variants. Improved interceptor concepts proposed. Focused on climb rate and altitude. Canceled due to engine shortages. Rocket and extreme interceptors. Mitsubishi J8M Sushui. Rocket-powered interceptor. Derived from German Me-163 technology. Most test flights ended in failure. Mitsubishi J8M advanced variants. Improved fuel system designs planned. Never flown before war ended. Jet aircraft projects 1944 to 1945. Nakajima Kika. Japan's first jet aircraft. Only limited test flights conducted. Combat variants never completed. Kika advanced fighter variant. Planned heavier armament and range. Construction never finished. Nakajima K201 Karyu. Jet fighter inspired by German Me-262. Designed for interceptor role. Never completed. Strategic and super heavy bomber projects. Nakajima G10N Fugaku. Intercontinental bomber project. Designed to reach the United States. Canceled before prototype stage. Unmanned and special attack aircraft. Yokosuka MXY-7 Oka variants. Multiple advanced Oka designs proposed. Included longer range and jet-powered versions. Most never left blueprint stage. Kayaba KA1/KA2 autogyro. Experimental rotary wing aircraft. Used for reconnaissance testing. Limited deployment, no large-scale use. Carrier and naval experimental aircraft. Aichi M6A Siran. Submarine-launched attack aircraft. Operational units formed. Never used in combat due to surrender. Aircraft destroyed before completion, 1945. Multiple unnamed prototypes and airframes. Destroyed to prevent Allied capture. Documentation intentionally burned. Post-war discovery. Allied forces recovered blueprints and fragments. Many projects were unknown outside Japan. These designs showed Japan's shift toward jets and rockets. Summary. Japan developed 30-plus secret and experimental aircraft projects during World War II. Most were canceled due to fuel shortages, bombing, and time constraints. They never flew operationally, but marked Japan's transition into the jet age.